Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Office 365 license and that SharePoint Online is enabled for your account. Once signed into Portal, Office. Open the app launcher and pick SharePoint. This ensures you're in the right environment. Next, create a new site using the Create Site button, choose team or communication based on collaboration needs. While creating, name the site, set privacy, and add one owner and members, now so permissions propagate correctly. Once the site exists, you build its structure. Create document libraries and lists that map to your processes, and add pages for important content. Make sure to add metadata columns and create filtered views to make content findable. Enable versioning on libraries so you can recover changes. Also configure site navigation, and if you have multiple sites, join a hub for unified search and permissions. As you add content, assign permissions at the minimum scope necessary to reduce future. To finish, set tenant and site sharing policies and confirm external access settings. Enable OneDrive sync for libraries you'll use often, and test file check-in/checkout and co-authoring workflows so users know the steps. Finally, verify backups and site usage analytics. If something breaks, first clear browser cache, then reindex the library from site settings, and confirm permission inheritance. These steps resolve most issues quickly. Document the final configuration for future admins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.